I'm Will Foster. I'm a local personal trainer in the area, and I started Picnik with Ben Kalis here, my head chef.
My name is Ben Kalis. I am the head chef of Picnik. I have about 11 years of professional culinary experience. One thing that makes Picnik a little bit unique as opposed to other companies is we don't do meal kits. We do prepare your order meals that are ready to eat. There's no cooking involved on your part, but we're also not a frozen meal prep service. All of our stuff is local, fresh, and easy. As we expand, we'd like to start using local farmers as well and producers, making our entire experience a local meal.
Each week we send out a menu and then we prepare the meals, package them in biodegradable containers.
We have a very eclectic menu, a very wide range of options.
We don't have any official certifications yet, but we do offer a lot of vegan options and vegetarian options as well. So whether you eat meat or don't eat meat, there's plenty on the menu for you. We would really love to connect with potential investors in the business. We're ready to expand. We have not actually gone public yet, but we're serving about 30 different people each week. We grow a little bit more each week, but we're really ready to take this to the next level, and we would love our own space. Dayton has a rich history of innovation and entrepreneurship, and we really love to be a part of the growth that's happening right now in downtown Dayton and the surrounding areas.